Hey there, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on this website, CoinMarketCap, and have been having a look at some of the cryptocurrencies that have been released. And I think, to be honest with you, it's getting a bit flooded. The market's becoming a bit flooded, so I don't think there's still room for growth, especially if you've launched a cryptocurrency and you market it well. If you market well, yeah, your cryptocurrency will still do well. But the thing is, the other cryptocurrencies that are out there and that people have invested in are obviously at great risk because if the market is flooded, then there's no more value in the other coins. So that becomes a bit of a problem. So it is becoming a risky game at the moment. That's just my advice, my the way I think, and I think you should stick with the coins that the leaders like Elon Musk touts, especially like these baby flocky billionaire, the super flocky, maybe baby shark, baby Dodge Elon. These are long term investments, in my opinion. If you're looking for short term gains, it's fine, but that's also pretty risky. And usually, most of the coins have low liquidity, and the exchanges like PancakeSwap, ParaSwap, they don't really allow you to swap these altcoins all the time because especially when they lack so much liquidity. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know just to be careful when you are buying cryptocurrencies. There's a lot of value behind the technology. It, I'm not talking about the cryptocurrency. I'm talking about the blockchain technology. And yes, but there can also be at the same time people trying to take advantage of that system. And this is what's happening now. There are too many cryptocurrencies, in my opinion. The market's getting flooded. So the value of each coin fluctuates tremendously. You can see how many coins are. Look how much losses there are. Look at Blizzard Network, 83%, MyDeFi. These coins were probably released a few days back, and look at the losses already. So these are all pump and dumps. So yeah, this is the plan to flood the markets, and it's going to be much like YouTube. To be honest with you, it's going to be a lot like YouTube, where you get the Beast right on the top there, and Mr. Beast, and yeah, these other other streamers are trying to flock in, but it's a bit too late because the market's flooded. So it reminds me a lot of YouTube. But I'm not saying it's not a good investment. I'm saying just be careful what you invest in. Rather invest in something that has a good background and good reputation and good marketing, and they what they say they're going to do, they actually do. For instance, if they say they're going to pay out rewards or a certain percentage per annum, like annual interest, that they actually do that. So I think rather stick to those coins that are going to hold their value long term, then go ahead for these pump and dumps because this erratic nature of buying and selling will just you'll just end up losing end of the day because it's gambling. That's exactly what it is. So like I've invested in Dodgelon. This is a pretty good crypto currency that it's been around for a while, and I've seen 3 to 4. I think it's 3 times gains this past year. It is still a bit safe, but I think it's the next Shiba Inu. So let's see. Maybe it could be. Um, there are a lot of other coins that are making headway. For instance, Baby Shark. This is one of the coins that Elon Musk touted, the Baby Shark song, and also Baby Dodge. It's also up today, 10%, and it's still really, really affordable. I mean, it's priced next to nothing. I think yeah, it's still got a lot of potential. So yeah, I think this is worth it. If you just put in 100 quid and you forget about it, if you wake up, if you plan to open your wallet in the next 2 years, I think you'll be surprised. So it's depending on how you view things. Everybody's different.